Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy and grateful to have you here with me today. Today we have a full face of brand new makeup products to my collection. I can't wait to share them out with you and to see how they work out. Before we do get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with a full face of brand new makeup. The first thing we're going to be starting with is a primer, and I have this one right here from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's the Mint Melt Primer. I'm super excited about this one. So this is what the packaging looks like. I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. I love the color. So this is the color of the primer, kind of like a green jelly consistency. We're gonna see if it does have that cooling factor. So this primer definitely feels a little tacky on the skin. It did have a little bit of a cooling factor and it smells like mint, so I absolutely love it. I'm gonna go ahead and see how it wears, but already first impressions on it is I really think I'm gonna enjoy it. Next up, what we're gonna be trying out is the Camo CC Cream. I have had this in my collection for a while, but I wanted to try it out on camera since all of these products are e.l.f. Cosmetics. So we're gonna go ahead and apply about 2 pumps of this. I have mine in the color medium 330 warm. I absolutely love this sponge. This sponge is one of my favorites. So this is what 2 pumps of the e.l.f. Cosmetics CC Cream looks like. Very dewy as well. Don't worry, we will set it down, but I absolutely love it. Next up, for my dark circles, I love the Camo Concealer, the original and the hydrating one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend these two together on my under eyes and on my eyelids to conceal all of that. So I like going in with the 16-hour Camo Concealer first, like so. And then I like adding the hydrating at the top, just so it's not too matte. And to make everything look seamless, I will add a little bit on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose. Next up, to set my entire face, I'm going to go in with the Halo Glow Powder. I have the shade Medium. Then I just get the excess on a brush and I stamp it on. So the face is all covered and set. I have my base. Before I continue with the makeup tutorial, I'm going to get the Ride or Die Lip Balm from e.l.f. Cosmetics. And I'm just going to apply a little bit just because I want to prep my lips for the lipstick later on. So this is what it looks like. For our entire face now, we're going to be using this palette. This is the Jen Atkin and e.l.f. Cosmetics palette in the color Let's Elfing Do This palette. I believe this came in 2 different shades. I think it was like medium and medium deep. I went ahead and picked up the medium deep palette, and let me show you what it looks like. So you have 4 shades right there. These are eyeshadows, and then you have a highlight, a blush, and a bronzer. So I'm super excited about that. We're gonna go ahead and create a look with this. So the first thing is I'm going to go in with this shade right here and just place it all over my eyelid. Next up, I'm going to go in with this brown shade and just place it all over like my lid and my crease. Next up, I'm gonna go in with the deeper like maroon shade right here. It's like a burnt brown shade. So, and I'm gonna apply that to the crease and kind of buff it out. Now that we have all this blended out, we're going to use this black shade and add it as eyeliner. On the lower lash line, I'm just going to blend the brown and the black and just place it down there. Now that we have our eyes done, I'm going to go ahead and use the Instant Lift Brow Pencil right here from e.l.f. Cosmetics to go ahead and kind of fix my eyebrows a little bit. So I'm just going to brush through with the spoolie. I did go ahead and add lashes and liner off camera just because I don't have a particular one, a new one, or e.l.f. Cosmetics one that I could add in here. I enjoy using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Wow Brow. It looks like this, and it's just tinted gel, like eyebrow gel. Now I do want to go ahead and move on to the palette. So I'm going to go ahead and add this bronzer, the blush, and the highlight to bring some warmth into the face once again. Now that I added some bronzer, I'm going to go into the blush shade right there. And last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and get this highlight. Love placing it like as a blush topper and just moving up. I'm also going to place a tiny bit on the inner corner of my eyes just to brighten up the look a little bit. Now to melt all of these products together, I am going to use the spray that came in the collection. It's just a setting mist. Alright guys, I think I might have gone a little too heavy like on the blush and, well, actually the highlight. Anytime that happens, just go ahead and get your sponge that you used previously and just kind of tap it out. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of blush because I think that kind of went away with the highlight. There we go. I do remove my glasses to do the makeup and all of that, and sometimes I can't really tell. I'm planning on getting contacts very soon, so till I put on my glasses, that's when I'm like, oh my goodness, I overdid it. So just a little trick. And the skin looks very pretty, very glowy. Now we're gonna go ahead and finish up with the lips. And we have the e.l.f. Cosmetics times Jen Atkin Extra Lip Duo. It comes with a lip liner and a lipstick on one end. And this is in the color Self-Made Pink. So there is the lip liner, and I'm going to go ahead and add the lipstick. How pretty is that? Okay, I absolutely love this lipstick. It is so pretty. It's perfect. It's like a peachy pink color. I love it. And last but not least, I did have a lip gloss by e.l.f. and it looks like this. This is the lip plumping gloss in the color Champagne Glam. We're just gonna add a little bit of this. And that is it, my friends. This is the makeup look that I came up with. It is more smoky because of the shades that are in this palette. So they're a little bit deeper. You can definitely go with something more light if you kind of use the lighter shades and maybe the bronzer and the highlight in there. But I just love the way it came out. Let me know what you thought of this tutorial and all the products that I used today. I actually cannot say anything negative about any of the products that I used. I love them, and I've been using some of them for many, many years. The new products that I did use, like the palette and the primer and all of that, the lipstick, it's absolutely gorgeous. The lip gloss is also new as well. It is plumping, so I can kind of feel that little effect of plumpiness right now. I absolutely love all these products. I'm super excited about them, and I'm super excited about continuing to use them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what was your favorite product that I used today. Everything will be down in the description box below. As always, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, friends.